In this video I'm going to go over the Pro-Fit flaring kit. It's got all different sizes: 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, 5/8, and 3/4. So for your soft drawn copper, mini split systems, I got impact gun with the 3/4 inch bit on it, 20 volt 3 amp battery. Doesn't really matter what kind of gun you use, but you do want to use the impact. So this side right here, I just got done flaring. So if you were to do a mini split system, this end's pretty chewed up, so I'd want to cut it first and get a nice clean cut on it. I just bought these new cutters right here. By JB, and what I like about them is that they go from all the way down all the way forward very quickly. So I'm going to do I want to go nice and slow. You don't want to put too much pressure on the tightening portion of the tool, otherwise you'll kind of put an indent in the copper and you won't get a clean cut, and it'll bend the pipe. It'll kind of smush the pipe a little bit, and that's never a good thing. Nice clean cut. We could probably ream that out a little bit. My favorite reamer I like to use, made by Hilmar. That's why we use that impact, because those last 3 spins on it. And if you were to do that on a mini split system, you'd want to slide your nut over the pipe before you use the tool, and then you get your flare, and you're good to go. I mean, that saves you a lot of time rather than using a flare kit that is manual, where you got to put on, you know, all the yeah, it leaves it nice and clean, really smooth. It works well. So that's how you get your flaring done in seconds. I think this pack costs about 100 bucks, 5 bits, but it's well worth it. Made by Rectorseal. Rectorseal that flare in seconds. Brought to you by North End Home Heating. Smash that like button. Subscribe, comment, let me know how things are. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.